students, welcome to biology class of StudyGist. Today we will start the chapter Conservation of Plants and Animals. So in this class the topics which will be discussed, these are the deforestation and what are the causes, means why the deforestation is causing, okay, what are the causes behind it, what are the consequences, mean what are the results of this event, and the conservation of forest and wildlife, and lastly about the biosphere reserve, what is it, okay. But before we start discussing one by one the topics one by one, I want to let you know about our social media platforms through which you can reach us, right? So as you can see on the screen that this is our YouTube channel StudyGist Academy. Do subscribe our channel, like our Facebook page, join our Telegram channel. Link is given here and it looks like this. And the name of our Telegram channel is, as it is being displayed on the screen, StudyGist School 7 to 10. Okay, so in this channel you will be getting each and every updates about the live classes and study materials. So do join this channel. Follow us on Instagram and you can also join us through WhatsApp community. The number is displayed. And for more details, for more updates, do visit our website www.studygist.in. Now in Google Play Store, our free app of StudyGist is available. It looks like this somehow, and it's a very user-friendly app. So do download our app and install it now. This is how our YouTube channel looks like. So as I told you earlier that do subscribe our channel, and after subscribing don't forget to keep the bell notification on. Hit it to get instant notification whenever any new videos will be uploaded in our channel. And this is how our Facebook page looks like. So like our Facebook page too, to be united with us constantly. So without any further delay, let's moving on to our topic. So our first topic is conservation. What is it? Conservation is a term which is used to describe the prudent use of the natural resources, how we are using it. We have to use our resources in a conserved manner so that in the future generation they not face any kind of problem due to any kind of shortage and all, okay. So what are these resources? Basically natural resources are air, water, soil, minerals, fuels, all the biotic, means the biotic and abiotic components, plants, animals, flora, fauna, everything. We have to conserve it, we have to keep it, okay. Now on the verge of conservation there is an event which can result in a destruction, okay, and that is deforestation. So what is it? A forest is a large area which is covered with trees and plants, lots of plants and trees, and it provides the habitat, which is the home for many animals, many birds and many plants too. So the process of cleaning away, if in the forest trees and plants are recklessly cut down, that event is known as deforestation, as you can see in this picture. Alright, so now we'll discuss about what are the causes of it. Deforestation जो है वो recklessly हम लोग trees को cut down करके ये जो situation है ये create करते हैं, and this can be created due to majorly artificial man-made causes, and there are some reasons caused by naturally also there are some reasons. I'll discuss one by one. So let's check out what are the causes behind it. So first is why deforestation is done: for procuring plant for cultivation. Cultivation, okay, it's the main source of getting food or agriculture, we can say. So forest पे जो trees होते हैं उन लोगों को कट किया जाता है. These are recklessly, without even thinking about the future, what can be the consequences, we are cutting it down. So mainly for agricultural purpose. Agriculture के लिए, cultivation के लिए हमें बहुत space चाहिए. Okay, so that land is provided. If it's not available, then we think that it's our right to cut down the trees to clear the field and make it a cultivation ground or an agricultural field for cultivation. season, and it looks like this. After cutting down trees, it is a bare land which can be used for cultivation purpose. And secondly, for building houses and factories in towns or in cities. For building houses हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग trees को recklessly cut करते हैं. Okay? Deforestation करने के बाद जो जगह मिल जाता है वहाँ पर lots and lots of factories and houses हम लोग build करते हैं, हम लोग वहाँ पर रहते हैं. So for our own sake we are cutting down the trees. This is the one reason. Next we are moving on to the next cause, which is for making various products. Like you can see, wood is very useful, right? Wood. So it is used for making doors, windows, and from where this wood is coming? From the trees, from the plants. So this beautiful windows and doors are being made. The wood we are getting from the plants. और ये हम लोग को कहाँ से मिलता है? हम लोग जब इसको कट करते हैं. Okay, so how rude we are, right? How cruel. Now coming to the natural causes. ये तो क्या man-made cause जो हम लोगों के लिए होता है. But there are some natural ways, natural reasons also for which this conservation is this deforestation is being created. Deforestation किया जाता है. So first is the forest fire. Forest में आग लग जाता है तब obviously सारा जो forest है, forest का हर एक plant जल जाता है. So it's being destroyed. Now another reason is the drought. ड्रॉट में क्या होता है? फ्लड का ऑपोजिट कंडीशन है ड्रॉट. पानी बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है. और ये ड्रॉट में आप देख सकते हो, ये जो ग्राउंड है, ग्राउंड में छेद हो जाता है, राइट? सो इन दिस कंडीशन दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉज्ड बाय डिफॉरेस्टेशन. ये अगर होगा तो डिफॉरेस्टेशन तो डेफिनेटली विल बी द रिजल्ट. सो दिस इज द वाइस वर्सा केस. ऑलराइट. So our next topic is consequences. What are the results? So deforestation तो definitely कोई अच्छा काम नहीं है. तो इसका effect जो होगा वो that will be adverse. That will means that impact will be falling on the environment, right? So first consequence is the global warming. Global means whole earth, globally. Okay, entire earth. And warming means warm, गर्मी, right? So basically, how this is happening, I'll tell you. Plants use the carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. We know during photosynthesis, carbon dioxide is being used by the plants for preparing food, खाना बनाने के लिए, right? When ये trees और plants का number कम हो जाएगा, then क्या होगा? Less carbon dioxide will be used up because air में बहुत सारा carbon dioxide है. If there will be lesser number of plants, then that huge amount of carbon dioxide, who will receive? Who will take? Who will absorb? Nobody will be there. So in this way what will happen? This amount of carbon dioxide will be huge in the atmosphere. Alright. So इससे क्या होगा? This will result in an increased amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Definitely. And the possible consequence is global warming. Because this is a greenhouse gas. Carbon dioxide is a very important greenhouse gas. इसका amount air में जितना ज़्यादा होगा, total earth जो है, earth का temperature, वो average temperature will reach to its maximum level. Okay? Optimum level से भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, then it will create global warming. Okay? Because as the carbon dioxide trap the heat rays, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अगर ज़्यादा रहेगा तो हीट विल बी कैप्चर्ड एंड वोंट बी अलाउड टू बी रिफ्लेक्टेड बैक. इन दिस वे द ग्रेजुअल एवरेज टेम्परेचर विल इंक्रीज. ओके, एंड दिस विल लीड टू ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. नेक्स्ट consequence is disturbance in the water cycle. Now we'll discuss how the water cycle will be disturbed, right? So this is the water cycle, we know. The consequence of deforestation will increase the temperature on the earth and it will disturb the water cycle, which leads to, if water cycle will be disturbed, then it can lead to a decrease in the rainfall, and due to decrease in the rainfall, it will definitely lower down the groundwater level, the water which is present under the soil, under the ground. Suppose this is the ground level. Okay, and this is the layers of water. So if the water cycle is disturbed, then this underground water level will decrease, will be lowered, and eventually it may cause drought too. This is also one consequence. Okay, next is soil erosion, and as a result of it we will have desertification. We will see it. Now what happens, roots of the trees we know that they bind the particles of the top soil. जो soil का topmost layer होता है उससे bind करके उसको bind करके रखता है, ताकि to prevent it from being carried away or from being washed away, right? वो loosen नहीं होता है, tight करके उसको hold करके रखता है, anchoring का काम करता है. So when the trees of the forest